Hey, it's time for the kids photo contest. Hey, I'm Jesse with J-Style Photography, and with me today are 3 professional judges.
Alex, Allie, and Tenley.
Aren't they great, everybody? They worked really hard to get here, and they have a lot of experience. Our panel of judges will be judging all the images that come in, right guys?
Yeah. Take the pepperoni off.
Guys, let's act a little bit professional.
I will wait.
Okay, yeah, so speaking of professional, let's keep it that way. Okay, so here's some of the rules. So on Monday, I'll be posting some of the themes for today. For today, the theme is going to be open theme. So whatever you see around the house, whether a cat, a nice chair that you have, a new baby, things like that, I'm going to be posting videos once in a while to help you in your photography. So I'll be posting the link on the Facebook page, facebook.com/jstylephotography, and then you can go to this post and you can post your images down below. Just have your parents' name and have your name on the bottom so I know who is sending in the images. So the great part, the prizes. So for first place, it's going to be a large pizza from the Pizza Ranch in Casselton. Second place is going to be a medium pizza, and you guessed it, third place is going to be a small pizza. And all participants will get a half pint of ice cream when they come to the Pizza Ranch in Casselton. We're going to be sending out prizes via email, and then you can bring that to the Pizza Ranch and they will bring your pizza out for you. For the images, you can use your camera, your phone, a DSLR, or anything that you have to take a picture of. If you don't have a camera, that's just fine, because you can draw a picture and you can drop it off at the Pizza Ranch in Casselton. That's just totally fine, and your image will be counted into the contest as well. So don't worry about having a camera, but it is fun to kind of be creative, have fun, and stay hungry. This is Jesse with J-Style Photography, and we can't wait to look at your images and see what you come up with.
This week in the pizza.
Let's see, guys.
Good luck with your images.